Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make two super cute slimes for Easter. Because Easter is right around the corner, I thought it would be super fun to make some DIY Easter slime, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so as always before we start, I'm going to take you down to my slime and squishy area where I can go ahead and pick out my supplies, but first I'm going to show you the guinea pigs. So here are the two piggies, Snickers and Cinnamon. They are both super sweet. Now I'm going to show you a couple clips of them having floor time earlier this week. Moving on, now I'm going to take you over to my slime and squishy area where I can go ahead and pick out my supplies, and I am going to be using all sorts of kinds of different ingredients, so I'm just going to quickly show you what I'm going to be using. So here's the first Easter slime that I'm going to be making. So it's this super pretty 3-layered pastel butter slime topped off with some super cute heart-shaped sprinkles. So to start off with the first Easter slime, the first thing I'm going to add is my desired amount of white school glue into the bowl. Next, to make this slime super soft and fluffy, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some shaving cream. Now to make the slime extra crunchy, I'm going to go ahead and mix in a little bit of foaming hand soap. Be careful not to add too much of this or else the slime may leave a little bit of residue on your fingers. And now it's time to give the slime a super pretty pastel pink color, and like you probably saw earlier in the video, this is a 3-layered slime, so the first color that I'm going to be making is pink, so I'm going to go ahead and mix in a little bit of pink food coloring. And now it's time to activate the slime. For my Activator recipe, I use 1 cup of hot water and dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of borax. Make sure to activate your slime slowly so we don't end up with a stiff slime. And now to turn this into a super soft and creamy butter slime, I'm going to go ahead and mix in a 1/2 brick of Daiso clay. Now that the first layer of slime is all completed, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the second layer. So to make the second layer of slime, I went ahead and repeated all the exact same steps as I did earlier, but instead of making a pink slime, I made this really pretty pastel blue color. And finally, it's time to make the last layer of slime. So once again, I'm going to follow all the exact same steps as I did earlier, and this layer of slime is going to be a really pretty pastel yellow. Now that I have all 3 colors of slime completed, it's time for the super fun part where I get to layer them. So using a small plastic container, I'm going to take a section of each of the slimes and layer them side by side. And finally, to top off the slime, I'm going to be using some pink, yellow, and blue glitter, and I'm also going to be using some miniature heart-shaped glitters as well. So here's the first Easter slime all completed. I am so happy with how this slime turned out. This slime turned out so pretty, and I think the colors look really nice together. This slime turned out so creamy and spreadable. It's so fluffy and stretchy, and I had a lot of fun playing with this slime. So the last and final Easter slime that I'm going to be making is this super pretty pastel green cloud slime topped off with some really cute miniature heart-shaped sprinkles. So to start off with the last and final slime, I'm going to go ahead and add my desired amount of white school glue into the bowl. Next, to make this slime super soft and fluffy, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some shaving cream. Next, to make the slime extra stretchy, I'm going to go ahead and mix in a couple pumps of lotion. Next, to give the slime that super pretty pastel green color, I'm going to go ahead and mix in 2 different shades of green food coloring. Now it's time to activate the slime. And again, for my activator recipe, I use 1 cup of hot water and dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of borax. Make sure to add your activator slowly so you don't end up with a stiff slime. And now to give the slime that super nice and drizzly cloud texture, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some instant snow. So first I'm going to activate the snow using some water, then I'm going to slowly add the snow into the slime, and I'm going to keep mixing it in until it turns into the perfect cloud slime. A great tip I found to making a really nice cloud slime is to also add some dry snow in there. Adding the dry snow is going to make the slime extra drizzly and sizzly. And finally, to top off the slime, I'm going to be using some really cute miniature heart-shaped sprinkles. So here's the last and final Easter slime all completed. I am so happy with how this slime turned out. I really like the color. It turned out so drizzly and sizzly. It's so soft and spreadable, and I had a ton of fun making this slime. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you guys would like to check out my Instagram page, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you all have a happy Easter, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!